In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the illustrations for a children's book using Midjourney. So, you can try and make the prompts yourself here, but the results are going to be pretty random and they might not be what you expect. The best way to do this is to go onto Google and go to a website called PromptBase. Now, from here, you can either find a prompt or write one yourself. So, I'm going to go on to find a prompt. I'm going to click Midjourney. And I'm going to look through and see, is there any I like? So here, maybe Disney old movie cartoon style. There may be a few that you like. Or at the top, you can search this. Children's. Okay, we'll try children's animal illustrations. So we see that. And here we go. So we have, this is one prompt here we can have. So if you like this style, you can get this prompt. And basically what this does is you press get prompt and you pay for it with Stripe, and then it's going to give you the words that you need to make things look like this. So it'll give you these specific words. And it'll also give you instructions on how to use it. Now, if I look again, if I type in children's, I can't spell children's illustrations, make sure you selected Midjourney. And now you can see here, there are tons of different options for illustrations. So, tons of different styles. You can find animals, you can find humans, you can find 3D, 2D. Really, this gives you so much more option and it gives you so many more ways to create with it. Now, something else you can do with this is you can mix and match styles. So, there might be a few keywords from this prompt that you like, and there might be some from this that you like. You can combine the two, and then you can get some really cool, interesting, and unique prompts. So that's how you do it. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it worked. Thank you for watching.